In class 11th accountancy, we are on chapter number 4 and the topic is cash book, and today we are moving towards two column cash. So two column cash book means the cash book which has two columns. That's why it is known as double column cash book. Double column cash book. Am I audible, Pranay? Pranay, am I audible? Okay. So two column cash book means the cash book which has two columns, and see the same way as I explain you single column cash book. Here you have to make two columns. One is for cash, another is for bank. Same in credit side. One is for cash, another is for bank, and here you will write two column cash book. Why two column or double column? Because there is the cash book with bank column. So we can write cash book with bank column. The process of entry is same. All inflows, receipts will be in debit side, and all payments and outflows will be at credit side. As I explained you, while we were making single column cash book, same rules will be applicable here. Cash receipt this side, cash payment credit side. Amount increasing in bank column, bank account, that side. Payment made through check or through bank, that is this side. Okay, I am sure you must understood that two column. What is the need of two column then? See, in present scenario, it is not possible for the businessman to run the business or to survive in this fast competitive market without a bank account. Maximum transactions are performed through bank. That's why a businessman is prepared cash book with bank column. In a same cash book, they have two columns. One is for cash, another is for bank. Okay, and the process will be same as I explained you in single journal entry. So today's topic is double column cash book with two amount columns for cash and bank. The opening balance of cash column always show a debit balance. Opening balance of bank column shows either a debit balance in case of deposit or credit balance in case of overdraft. Now what is overdraft? Overdraft is a type of loan which banks provide to current account holders. They can withdraw more than their deposits. That is overdraft. Then to deposit cash or check in the bank, one pay slip is used. Pay slip is available in the bank branch only, but nowadays, because various new technology is coming, so they can enter check through computer also. So double column cash book means two column, one is for cash, another is for bank. But cash book always have a debit balance. Tanish, any doubt, beta? Note down then. Note down please. Cash column always have a debit balance. while bank column may have debit or credit. Debit if there is deposits, credit if there are overdrafts, negative balance we can say. COVID, COVID, COVID Gautam. COVID Gautam, please note down. Then to deposit cash or check in the bank, there are some specific pay-in slip which the person has to fill before deposit. This is the type of pay-in slip that is available in the bank only. Now, what is check? Yesterday, someone asked, ma'am, what is check? You can ask to your parents also. They will guide you. They will show you what is checkbook, what is passbook. Take help of your parents. They also have knowledge about banking. Checks are issued by the bank to the account holders to withdraw money, or they can transfer money. Note down, withdrawal or transfer. Here you will add one more word, withdrawal or transfer. Checks are issued by the bank. Who can give the check book? Bank can give the check book. To whom they can issue? To the account holder. Why they issue the check? To withdraw or transfer money. To withdraw or transfer money. Only one line you have to make. Withdrawal or transfer money. Now see. What is crossing? Note down please, crossing of check. Crossing of check. Checks are generally crossed in practice when two parallel lines are drawn across the check. It is said to be crossed. It is said to be crossed. When two parallel lines are drawn across the check, it is said to be crossed. It is known as crossing of check. You can see the screen. Crossing of check. These are the examples of crossing of check. Blank. You can write and company. You can write not negotiable. You can write account pay only. You can write name of bank. These are known as crossing of check. Crossing of check means at the top, two parallel lines. You can see the screen. Two parallel lines are drawn across the check so that this check will be safe, because the payment will be made directly to the party. That check is crossed means that check is safe now. See, single two lines and company, not negotiable. These are the examples. Account pay only, or you can name the bank also. Account pay only means the bank will give the amount to that account holder only. And name of bank means the bank will pay the amount at this branch or this bank only. These are crossing of check. Account pay means the Payment made through account only. These are the samples. And where the crossing made, see the check. On the top corner, two parallel lines are drawn. It is said to be crossed. This is known as crossing of check. Crossing of check. Crossing of check means safety of payment. Safety of payment. Note it down. There are 5 types of crossing: blank and company, not negotiable means not transferable, account pay only means the payment made to account only, State Bank of India means the payment made to this bank only and this branch only. Now, my dear children, we are on the main topic, that is contra entry. Contra entry means if a transaction requires entries on both the sides, it is known as contra entry. Means the transaction held between cash and bank. See, I told you 2-column cash book means 1 column is for cash, another is for bank. So if the transaction takes place between 2 accounts, 2 columns will be used, cash and bank. Because 2 sides are to be used, that's why it is known as contra entry. C is written in LF column on both the sides. And only there are 2 examples for contra entry: cash deposit into bank and cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Okay, please note down what is contra entry. If the transaction entered at the both sides of the cash book, it is called contra entry, and transaction held between 2 sides, 2 accounts, cash and bank both, then alphabet C is written in LF column on both the sides. When cash deposit into bank, when cash withdrawn from bank, but for office use. Please note down what is the symbol for contra entry. The symbol for contra entry is C. C in LF column shows that it is a contra entry and it is recorded at both the sides. Now, my dear children, you have to note down this slide. This slide is very useful for you. Cash deposit into bank and cash withdrawal from bank. This is the main topic. You can say in the cash book, 2 column. Contra entry is different part for 2 column cash book. Other all things are same as single column cash book. Only this contra entry made the difference. Fish Gupta, are you copying better? Note it down, please. Anuj Sharma, show me your copy, beta. Yes, now note down this contra entry. Contra entry is Noel John, please note down. Noel John, note down, beta. Contra entry is past when there are two conditions only: cash deposit into bank account debit to cash account. Here we will write to cash, here we will write by bank. But because cash and bank both are coming, so we have to write down C. C shows contra entry. And when cash is withdrawn from bank, then cash account debit to bank. So this side you will write to bank, contra entry. This side you will write by cash, contra entry. Contra entry means in the same cash book, two columns are there. One is for cash, another is for bank, and a transaction is passing through both the sides, debit and credit. Only two conditions are there when contra entry is passed: when cash deposit into bank, when cash withdrawal from bank. Okay, children, please note down. Note down. Yes, cash deposit into bank, then bank account debit to cash, because bank is the receiver, cash is going out. Okay, and when cash is withdrawn from bank for office use, so the bank balance is decreasing, but the cash balance is increasing. Or we can say cash comes in. Okay, that's why debit. And you will show this amount in the cash book by this way: cash, bank, cash, bank. Okay, now I am giving you another important thing. While you are writing cash, you will enter the amount in bank column. And when you are writing the bank, you will write the amount in cash column. Why? Because the amount is contra. Contra means both the sides. See here, again example. While we are writing bank, we will enter the amount in cash. And while we are writing the cash, we will enter the amount in bank column. Okay, children, got it? See again. I will explain you. See contra entry. Okay, note it down. Now, next is, yes, you can see the board also if you want to see. Two sides are there. One is debit, another is credit, and only two conditions are there when we pass entry through contra entry. Now, I am sure you must understood the topic contra entry. In LF column, you have to write C. Now, one more thing you have to enter. One more thing you should write. Mayur Patodi, please on your video. Yes, please. Listen carefully, children. Another important thing. Check received. Yes, please. Check received. Noel John, please note down beta. If check received and deposited in the bank on the same day, if check received and deposited in the bank on the same day, then entry will be passed through bank account. Entry will be passed through bank account. Shivin, note down please. Second line, if check received, second line, if check received and not deposited on the same day, Manav Jain, please copy down. These are the important lines. Manav Jain, if check received and not deposited on the same day, then not to enter in cash book, not to enter in the cash book, but when that check will be deposited in the bank, then entry pass through check in hand. Entry pass through check in hand. Then third point, third major point. Endorsement of check, third major point. Endorsement of check will not be entered in two-column cash book. So children, today we completed two-column cash books process. I'll explain you numerical tomorrow. And we can say this is double column cash book or cash book with bank column, and how to pass the entries through double column cash book and contra entries.